Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Seagull Beachfront Inn. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Conveniently located off Highway 101, this Lincoln City, Oregon motel offers ocean view rooms and free Wi-Fi. Chinook Wind's Siletz Tribal Gaming Center and Convention Center is 2 miles away. A beach access ramp is located adjacent to the property. A cable TV with a premium movie channel, a microwave, a refrigerator and tea and coffee making facilities are included in all rooms at Seagull Beachfront Inn. Rooms offer a select rooms feature spa baths and electric fireplaces. Salishan Golf Course is 15 miles away from Lincoln City Seagull Beachfront Inn. Devil's Lake State Park is 15 minutes walk away. Offering shopping and dining opportunities, Lincoln City Town Center is 5 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.